And spelling correction algorithm,
Very
like
good.
for
Very
dynamic
good.
programming.
What is that algorithm name called as?
Like I don't remember. Like wait, edit distance.
Very distance. Okay, distance measure. What are the three operations here you to find the distance between each character? How many strings we are taking generally, Shriram?
We're taking two strings, ma'am, and then we'll.
One is an error string and one is the corrected string, right? Which we
Yes, ma'am.
want to correct it. Okay. Okay. Next, so what are the operations we are performing to convert the error string to a corrected string?
Yes, ma'am. Like what we're doing is we'll run two for loops, and then each time you check
No, no.
minimum.
What are the operations I am asking?
Yes, ma'am. D of ij equal to minimum of d of I minus one
No, no,
comma
no, no, no,
j.
pa. That is okay, fine. What are the operations we are performing? Three operations, right? For every distance.
Oh,
Three
that
operations. Look at
that insert, delete, modify one, ma'am.
insertion, deletion, and substitution.
Substitution.
Either we can perform only these three operations can be performed from the input string to reach the output string. Either insertion can be done or deletion can be done or substitution. A character in the input string can be replaced by another character in the output string. Yes or no? And can you tell me what is the algorithm dynamic programming approach we are using it? That is, a larger problem is divided into smaller subproblems and each subproblem is done separately, and it is a bottom up approach. Starting from the lower level 1,1, we will be moving to the higher approach, and it is a tabular representation. Okay, so d of n I comma j, how they are calculating ij for first d of n comma n until we have to continue until n comma n. What is n here? What is m here? Can you tell me n?
N is number of columns, M is number of rows.
That is number of characters present in the input string, and m is the number of characters present in the output string.
Output string.
Yeah. Then d of ij for each box, how we are calculating? D of each box, if you take, it has some I value and j value, right? In a
Yes,
tabular column, we have seen there is a small boxes we have. Each box, if you take it, each box will have I value and j value. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
So each ij, d of the distance between that ij, how we are calculating for that box, how we are filling the value? Minimum of
D
I
of
minus 1,
I
d of
minus
distance of
j.
I minus 1 j plus 1. That is, I minus 1 means I am reducing 1 from the ith row and j is same as such. Okay. Or other one, what
D
is
of
3 minimum?
comma j
I am keeping as such, j minus 1. I am coming down. Either left side for that box, left side, that is I minus 1, or I am keeping as a j minus 1. J minus 1 means down.
down.
Yes or no?
Like left
Then
side.
d of left side, sorry. Then d of I minus 1, j minus 1 means
Diagonally.
diagonal elements. So for diagonal, there are two options are there. What are the two options we have, Sriram?
Less 2 or 0, ma'am. If it's not similar, or
If
it's 0.
both, if I, what the I character and j character, what we are comparing, if both are not similar, then we have to add
2.
plus 2. If it is similar, then we have to add
0.
0. Okay. So based on that, we have to fill the table, and I told you how to fill the table. How many of you are completed? Sriram, Hadar, you have completed the entire table?
Yes, ma'am. I
Tell
completed.
me that completed. So how many of you are not completed? Please tell me. I'll call each one of you. You have to tell me the answer. D of 7,8. You have to tell me the answer. Like that. How many of you are not completed? Please tell me openly so that I'll give some 5 minutes. You can complete it. Without that, we cannot backtrack it.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
Not 2 minutes. I give 5 minutes also because it's very important problem. You have to think and do it because last class you are done with only one column, I guess. It is 8 cross 8, right, Priya? It is an 8 cross 8, 8 cross 8, and we have last class we have done with one column or two columns we have done, I guess. Remaining are there. 9 cross 9. Okay. Then I give some 5 minutes. Now time is 8:40, 8:45. I give. Try to finish off without making any errors. If you make even one mistake, then the same thing you will be carried out till the finishing the last box. Then it will be entirely wrong. Okay. So how many of you are not completed? Please raise your hands. I am giving time, but I want to, because I know that nobody would have completed because you have closed your notebook that day and you would have opened now today. I know that 100%. Please accept the truth and I'll give time. I don't want to go hurry because later on you will not follow up. Simply if I told some tables. I want you to do the table. Then only if you backtrack, you will come to know how you got it. Even if you want from the beginning, you can make up a table and so that you get an idea. So only 10 students has not completed, remaining all completed. Charita completed. Shri, Sairam, Harshit, Animesh, Deepak. If you're completed, fine. If you're completed, please look into once for 5 minutes. Let the others also complete. Okay. If everyone completes only, okay, fine. Don't raise your hand. There are so many, around 50, 60, out of 60, some 40 people are not completed. I know that because last class we are not completed the entire problem. We have completed only one column and I left it. I told you to complete as a homework. I know that you people will not do. At least one problem I want you to do it by yourself. Okay. So I'll give some 5 minutes time. Take your own time by 8:50. Otherwise, we can. I'll tell you how to backtrack it. Do you know how to do it? At least one column last class we have done, right? Have you all know how to do it? For each box, you have to see the left side, down, and the diagonal, and minimum you have to take. When you are seeing the diagonal, either +2, left side +1, down +1, diagonal +2 or 0 based on the characters which you are comparing. Priya, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you all able to fill right? Yes or no? Please tell. Sai
Yes.
Pranati. Sai Pranati.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing.
You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
able to follow it, right? You can able to do it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Do it, then we'll discuss the values first. Then I'll tell you how to backtrack it. If you have the table only, we can backtrack it, students. I want everyone to do that problem in the notebook, and backtracking I'll tell you, so that backtracking also I'll tell you for only one column, remaining all you have to trace it out. If you have the values only, you can trace it. Do it fast. By 8:50, I'll tell you how to backtrack it. I'll give some 5-10 minutes, 7 minutes time to fill the table. After filling by 8:50, I'll call each one of you and I'll ask the values. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you make a mistake in one place, the same thing will be carried out till you finishes the overall box. Then the entire thing will be wrong. Completed or still doing? Students completed or still doing? Please respond whether you are completed or still doing, students.
I'm done.
Anybody still doing? Srinivas Aravind, completed. Anybody still doing?
I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. Do. You have to inform, right? Otherwise, I will start backtracking and you will not have the values. Others are waiting, let them wait. But others also, I want everyone to finish. Only one problem, at least we are solving it, right? That's why. When I am asking, tell. Like I have not completed, I have completed, I have doubt here. Something you tell. Jeevish completed.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, I will give 2 more minutes. 2-3 minutes I will give. Finish off till 9 cross 9. Charita, Prasanna, Praharsha. These people are not here.
One minute. 1 minute.
Okay. Do it. I'll give them 8:48 till 8:53. I'll give another 5 minutes. Do it. Anyhow, today I want to complete this problem. I'll give one more problem. You can do it as an exercise. Jeevish completed. Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. That's me.
Done. We'll wait for another. Anybody is still doing? Hitesh. Vaishnavi, Sanjeev, Manasa.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay. So I think everybody has done, right? Navya, Vinny. Anybody is still doing? Please raise your hands. I'll tell you how to backtrack it. Anybody is still doing, students? Only 60 is there. Anybody is still doing? Okay. Everyone completed, right? You have the table with you, right? Can you all check the table with this table which I have displayed on the screen, whether you are getting the same thing or not? Please check the values. Can you all able to see the screen, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all arrived at the same solution? Please check it. I'll give 1 more minute time because it's a 9 cross 9 matrix. Have you all arrived at the same solution? Yes or no, students? How many of you got the same solution?
Ma'am, we are checking still.
Checking. Okay, check. No, at the end, finally, whether you are getting 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
I think then mostly it will be same. You check it, because if you make a mistake, if you backtrack it also, you will not get the answer. I'll give 1 more minute time. Please check it. How many of you arrived at this solution? At least 1 out of 60 here got the same table.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others, please check. I'll give 2 more minutes. If you made a mistake, please correct it. Identify where you might. This is the correct table. If you have made a mistake, please identify where you have made a mistake, because sometimes in the diagonal values you will not check whether it is +2 or 0. Simply you will add +2 everywhere. Have you all checked? Can I tell how to backtrack it, students? Can I tell you how to backtrack it, students? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Take this table. Come to the last value. What is D of n comma n?
8.
8. Please take this value 8. Please everyone mark this value 8. Put a box here. That 8, put a box. Have you all put the box for 8? Yes or no? Please,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to respond. You
Yes,
have to traverse
yes.
along with me. Please, students. Otherwise, in the other end, I couldn't able to make out whether you are following or not. Have you all make a box? I didn't teach anything. I am telling you to make a box for the last n comma n value. Once the table is completed, D of n comma n value you identify and make a box. So what is the box here? Which is the value I have to make a box here? Please follow up with me. Which is the value which I have to make a box here? Already there is a box. You circle it. Otherwise you circle it. Circle 8. Have you all circled 8?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from that 8, you have to backtrack it till you reaches the lowest path. Okay. So if you want to reach this 8, okay, if I want to get this 8, which are all the values I have to take? Which are all the values I have compared to find this value 8? Tell me. N and N. I am comparing now N and N 8 value I have circled. If I want to get this 8, which are all the values I have compared? 9 plus 1. Tell me 9 plus
8 and 10.
that is 9 plus 1. Tell me 9 plus 1. Down 9 plus 1. Diagonal is 8 plus 2 or 8 plus 0. Which one I have to take?
8 plus 0.
8 plus 0. Okay, so which one I have taken? Either left side or down or diagonal value to reach this 8. Which one I have taken?
Diagonal, ma'am.
Diagonal value. So this 8 is got from this 8. So this 8 you circle it. O and O 8 is there, no? So that N and N 8, I got it from this 8. So you put an arrow mark down. See, I am showing here. 1 minute. See here. So this 8, how I got it? This N and N8, how I got it? Through this 8. So put an arrow mark and circle this 8 now. 0 and 0, O and O is there, no? That 8. Now that 8 which from which I got that 8, can you tell me? O and O, I have an 8. That 8, how I got it? How I arrived? Can you tell me that 8 now? Left side 9 plus 1, down 9 plus 1, diagonal is 8 plus 2 or 8 plus 0. Which one I have to take? Diagonal is 8 plus 2 or 8 plus 0 I have to take?
8 plus 0, ma'am.
8 plus 0. So this 8 is arrived from which one? Can you tell me?
Diagonal.
So diagonal. So this 8, put an arrow mark down. This 8 I have arrived from this one. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now I and I. Take I and I. This 8, how I have arrived? So put a line through this 8 and this 8, put an arrow mark. This 8 I got it from this 8. This 8 I got it from this 8. Now this 8 I have to find. I and I 8. How I got this I and I 8? Can you tell me? Left side 9 plus 1, down 9 plus 1, diagonal 8 plus 8 is there, either 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2. Which one I have to take? 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2? 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2?
0, ma'am.
8 plus 0.
0.
Why 8 plus 0? Can you tell me, students? Can you justify? If I want to fill this 8, I have to see left side 9 plus 1, down 9 plus 1, diagonal value is 8, either 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2 I have to take. You are telling 8 plus 0. Why it is 8 plus 0? Because my comparison character both in input string and output string is same character or different character?
Same character.
What is that character, students?
I.
Very good. So this 8, I got it from this 8. Yes or no? For I and I8, I got it from which 8? I and I8, I got it from which one? Can you tell me? I and I have an 8, value 8. I got it from? That I have arrived from which one?
T and T8.
T and T8, very good. T and T8. So put an arrow mark near pointing to T and T8. Now come T and T8, I have to process. So when I am processing T and T8, this 8 I have arrived from which one? Can you tell me, students? Left side 9 plus 1, down 9 plus 1. Diagonal is 8, either 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2. So which one I have to, with this 8 I have arrived from which one, students? T and T8 I have arrived from which one?
Diagonal, ma'am.
Diagonal, that is N and U8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So put an arrow mark. You round this 8 and put this 8. I got it from this 8. Now you process N and U. N and U8, how I got it? Can you tell me? Left side 7 plus 1, down 7 plus 1, diagonal 6 plus 0 or 6 plus 2. Which one I have to take? Please
6 plus 2.
respond. Please respond. I am asking simple mathematics. 6 plus 2. So all the values are here. Left side is also 8. Down is also 8. Diagonal is also 8. So if all the values are same, you can take diagonal. So this 8 I have arrived from this diagonal 6. You can take like that. Is that fine? If all the values are same, you can take the diagonal value. Yes or no? So U and N value 8 arrived from which one? U and N 8 arrived, the diagonal 8 arrived from which one, students?
C and
6.
E. 6.
That is C and E 6. Since all the three values are same, you have to take the diagonal. Okay. Next, come here. This is a tricky one. So this 6, can you tell me how I got it? This 6, that is, I am now, wait. Now I am crossing which one will take consider? C and E. Yes or no? C and E 6. That is the thing we are processing, right? This 6 I have arrived from which one? Left side is 5 plus 1, 6. Down is 7 plus 1, 8. Diagonal is 6 plus 0 or 6 plus 2. Which one I have to take, students? 6 plus 0 or 6 plus 2?
6 plus 2. 6 plus 2.
2. So here I have 6 left side. Diagonal is 6 plus 2, 8. Down is 7 plus 1, 8. So which one is the minimum? So which one I have arrived? The 6 is arrived from which one? Left side or diagonal or down?
Left side.
Left side.
That's why see I have moved here. The 6 I have arrived from which one? 5 or 6 or 7? Can you tell me? 5 or 6 or 7? The 6 I have arrived from this 5 or the 6 or the 7? Can you tell me?
5.
5. Very good. So put an arrow mark. The 6 I have arrived from this 5. That's why from 6 I have an arrow mark to 5. So can you tell me this 5, which how I have arrived? 5, how I have arrived, students? See the left side, 4 plus 1, 5. Down, 6 plus 1, 7. Diagonal. Diagonal is what? Diagonal is what? Diagonal is
5
what?
plus 0.
5 plus 0.
5 plus 0 or 5 plus 2? 5 plus 0 because both the characters are same. So this 5 I have arrived from. Here is also 5. Here is diagonal is 5. and the down is 7. So among this minimum value is, if I get the diagonal, 1 minute students, 1 minute. Now can you trace it, students? This 5, how I got it? T and X5.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Yeah. You can't able to see the screen now.
It came, ma'am.
Came, okay, now can you tell me
It came.
till E and E we have finished. Now you tell me this 5. E and E5, how I got it? E and E5, please explain. E and E5, left side 4 plus 1, 5. Down 6 plus 1, 7. Diagonal is 5 plus 0 or 5 plus 2?
5 plus 0, ma'am.
Because same elements E and E. So can you tell me this 5, how this E and E5, how I got it? From left side or diagonal? Which is the minimum? Left and the diagonal both are minimum. So you have to take only the diagonal values. So diagonal I have taken it here. Okay. So now can you tell me X and T? X and T5, how I got it? See, that's why this 5 I got it. I put an arrow mark diagonal here. So now can you tell me X and T5, how I processed it?
Diagonal 3 plus 2, ma'am.
Because left side 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1. Diagonal is 3 plus 0 or 3 plus 2?
3 plus 2, ma'am.
So 2. So all are 5. So we have to take the diagonal. First preference is given to the minimum diagonal. If minimum is diagonal having, then we have to take the diagonal only. Okay. Now, so we have arrived at this. Okay. So this 3, how you got it? Can you tell me? E and N T 3.
From the diagonal, ma'am.
That is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 0 or 1 plus 2?
1 plus 2, ma'am.
1 plus 2, 3. So this 3, I got it from 1. So from 1, directly I made it as 0. Okay, from 1, I am pointing to 0. Okay, 0. From here I have to start. So this is how I have backtracked it. Once you backtrack it, then I will tell you how we have to process it. Have you all backtracked it? Yes or no? Have you all got it? So from this 8, put an arrow mark to this 8. This 8 is got from this 8. This 8 got from this 8. This 8 I got from this. This 8 I got from 6. This 6 I got from 5. 5 I got from this 5. This 5 I got from this 3. This 3 I got from this 1. Then 1 to 0. That is a 0th level. Okay. So please highlight these boxes. Now I will tell you how many this one we need. Operations we need. Have you all done this? Can I move to the next screen, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next one, you please write the first character. Okay. So what is my our first wrongs input and what is my output I wanted? My input string is intention and my output string is. Please respond. Execution. So don't write anything from this table. For the value of I, what is the value I am getting it here? For I, what is the box highlighted? Down. For I in the input string, what is the output string I am getting it here? What is the output string I am getting it here? So for I, which is the value, which is the box highlighted, students here? For input string I, what is the box highlighted?
Empty string.
That is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for this I, what is the down in the x-axis? What is the value I am hitting? Hash. That is means deleted. So see here, for I, it is hash. That is you can put star. For I, it equivalent value in the output string, I am getting star. Similarly, go to next character. For n, what is the box which I have highlighted? For n in the input string, which is the box highlighted? 3. Corresponding its x-axis, what is the value I am getting it?
E.
E. So n is replaced with n in the input string is replaced with E in the
Output string.
very good. So that's why see n I have written in the input string. You put the top you write input, down you write output. I is replaced by star, that is deleted. I is deleted. N in the input string is replaced by E in the output string. Next you come here. What is the next character in my input string?
T.
T. It's corresponding. What is the value here in x-axis? T, which is the box highlighted?
5.
5. So it's corresponding x. That output string value is
X.
T in the input string. That's corresponding output is x. That's why I have given C. T output is x. For E, can you tell me for E, which is the box highlighted?
5, ma'am.
5. So it's 5 corresponding down. If you come to the x-axis, what is the value I have? For E in the input string, it should be replaced by what value? It should
E
be
in the
E output string. Okay, so E, see here E, line E. So E in the input string, same E in the output string. Okay, next come here. Next here only a problem comes. Now, can you anyone tell me what operation I have to apply here? E already done, but E has 2 values here. So here what I have to do? E cannot be replaced with C again because E is already done. E in my input string is already done with some operation. E is E only. So what I have to do here? Which operation I have to apply here?
Insertion.
Very good. Insertion. There is no character in the input string. Should be replaced by what character in the output string? No character in the input string is replaced by what character in the output string?
C.
C. Very good. So no character in the input string, that is star, is replaced by C in the output string. Next, can you see what is the next character? N. N is replaced with what? N corresponding which box highlighted 8. Come down straight. N is replaced by which character in output string?
U.
U. Very good. So N to U. See here. N to U. Next. T in my output string. Come which box is highlighted? This 8. It's corresponding what is the value in the output string?
T.
T. Very good. So see here. T in my input string replaced by T in the output string. Next. I in my input string is replaced by what character? Which box is highlighted for I? This 8. So down come here I. So I in my input string is replaced by?
I in the output.
Very good. I in my input string is replaced by I in my output string. Next. O. O in my input string is replaced by what?
O in the output string.
Very good. Next, N in my input string is replaced by what?
N in the output string.
Very good. So this is the thing I got it after the table backtracking. Have you all got this? I'll give 2 minutes.
Yes,
Analyze and tell me whether you got this or not. Now can you tell me how many insertion, substitution and deletion should happen to convert my input string to an output string? Can you tell me? Guess and tell me. Not guessing. Do this. This we got it right. Have you all got this thing by traversing the table? Result of backtracking. Have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Can you tell me now how many? So it's from here. Listen. Initially, I showed one table like this. I told after you finish on that one table, you can able to make out how this you got it. Wait, I'll show you which one. This one. The same thing, right? I told you, right? How deletion happens, how substitution happens. So here I in my input string is replaced by star means what is an operation applied here?
Deletion.
Okay, down you have to write D. N in my input string replaced by E in my output string means what is an operation?
Substitution.
Each and every conversion, which operation is applied, any operation is applied or not applied, you have to find out. T in my input string is replaced by X in the output string means? What
Substitution.
operation? Very good, substitution. E in my input string is replaced by E in my output string means? Any operation is applied? No operation, good. Then star in my input string, there is no character in my input string, is replaced by some character C in my output string. So what I have done here?
Insertion.
Insertion, good. N in my input string replaced by U in my output string. What operation?
Substitution.
Very good. T and T, I and I, O and O, N and N. Any operation is applied here? These four characters?
No, ma'am.
No. So how many operations totally? 1 deletion, 3 substitution and 1 insertion. So what is the cost I told you? Insertion and deletion cost will be 1 always, and substitution cost is?
2.
2. So what is the total cost or total distance to convert intention to execution?
8.
8. Okay, this is the final solution. So you have to write like this. For each and every conversion, you have to tell me either you can put dash 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 or you can leave it free if there is no operations applied, or if any operations are applied, you have to write it down, and you have to tell since deletion cost is 1, insertion cost is 1 and substitution cost is 2, the total cost needed for converting intention to execution is 8, or the distance is 8. Okay, so this is how. Initially, I told you in the last class, I is replaced by null, but how you got it? By using this table, final table. Can I give one more example? Can you all solve it now? 5 minutes is there, whether you can able to finish or we'll do it in the next class. So this is your output. You have to backtrack till you reach the end. So you have to trace back the path from the upper right corner to read of the alignment, backtracking. Okay. So you have to do like this. Finally, you got this. Okay. So weighted edit distance, we'll do it in the next class. Can I give one more problem now? Can you all do it? Or you will look into the same problem once again? Tell me something. So, okay, I'll give one more problem. Take this problem. My input string is medium, M-E-D-I-U-M. Have you all able to hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my input string is medium. It should be in y-axis, and my output string is enum, E-N-U-M. It should be in the x-axis. That is my final string. Source string. Input is also called as source. Output is also called as the final string. Okay. So you use edit distance algorithm to find the convert medium to enum, to find what are all the operations, how many operations are required by taking insertion cost as 1, deletion cost as 1 and substitution cost as 2. So from this table, can you make out one small thing? Which operation, which thing can be a substitution one, which thing can be an insertion or deletion one? When you are backtracking, if you backtrack diagonally, whether it will be an insertion, deletion or substitution, can you make a shortcut? Can you analyze and tell me? Can you analyze and tell me if you, when you are backtracking, if you diagonally backtracking the diagonal elements directly, then it will be what? Any shortcut you have, or otherwise it may be what? Diagonal elements is?
Substitution.
Very good. Substitution. Vertical or horizontal, if it comes, it may be?
Insertion or deletion.
Deletion. Good. Can you do it and tell me what is the total cost needed for medium to enum? Totally, how many rows and how many columns you are getting, students? 1, 2, 3, 6. How many rows and how many columns? How many rows and how many columns you are getting?
6.
8 rows and 6 columns.
6 and
4.
4 enum. But first you have to write the string down and you have to give 0, 1, 2, 3 next row. Then column also, first column starts with hash, that is the first down box will be empty, hash with the values, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 6 with 4, then you start. They may ask the question like this, if in edit distance, if you are mapping the same letter, then d of I minus 1, j minus 1 cost will remain same or it will be added. Listen to the question. If you are mapping the same letter in the table, edit distance table, then d of I minus 1, j minus 1 cost will remain the same or it will be changed.
Same, ma'am.
Very good. Same. Why? Why? Who told same? It is correct. Can you justify why even if it is wrong? Fine. Why? Because we are mapping comparing the same characters, right? When you compare the same characters, then the diagonal value will be plus 0 or plus 2.
Plus 0, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay, students, you can leave now. Already time 9:20. You take this as a homework, do it, and we will meet next Wednesday only because tomorrow is a holiday. Again, Friday is a holiday. I think you would have class advice would have told, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.